Welcome Fun with Yarn. Today I am going to do with you this beautiful stitch pattern, crochet pattern. And then let's begin. In this pattern we need multiples of 12 plus 1 chain. In this pattern I um, take 25 stitches, and I did 2 double crochets for each, for easy for demonstration. If you don't want to, you can omit that part. I am going to do with that, with the top of my 2 double crochets. And first I am going to do chain 1 and go 4 chain, 1 2 3 4. I am already one here, and 1 2 3 4, sorry, 1 2 3 4, and I need to find 6 plates. 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 chain. I am going to do 3 double crochets. 1 2 3, and again I am going to do 4 chain, and I am going to find again 6th chain. I am skip 5 chains, 1 2 3 4 5, and my 6th chain I am going to do 1 single crochet. Again I am going to do 4 chain, 1 2 3 4 chain, and I'm skip 5 chain, 1 2 3 4 5, and 6 chain. I'm going to do 2 double crochets, the 3 double crochets again, 1 2 3, again 4 double crochet, sorry, 4 chain, 2 3 4 chain, and skip 5 chains, 1 2 3 4 5, and my 6th one I am going to do 1 single crochet, and then turning my sorry, I'm going to go to the second row. I need 5 chain, 1 2 3 4 5, turn my work, and I'm going to do this um, double crochet in the top one. I need 3 double crochet in the first, here, first chain, 1 2, oops, 2 3, and my middle one I'm going to do 1 double crochet, and last one I'm going to do 3 double crochets again, 1 2 3, and now I'm going to do 2 chain here, 2 chain, and 1 double crochet top of the one single here. Yeah, I am going to do 1 double crochet, and I'm going to do 2 chain again. Again we are going to do 3 double crochet top of this one, 1 2 3, sorry, 3, 1 middle one, and again 3, 1 2 3 double crochets, 3 and again 2 chain and my double crochet top of my edge one here. This is my second row. I'm going to do third row. I need 3 chain and go 3 double crochet in the first one. 1 2 3. I turn my work and I'm going to do 3 double crochet here. 1 2 3 and 1 double crochet each of these chains, top of these chains. One again. All together I have 11. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and this one I'm going to do 3 double crochets here. 9 10 11, same gap, same chain actually. And again I'm going to do 1 chain here, 1 chain, and same as first, 3 here, 3 double crochets, 1 2 3 and 1 double crochets, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet again. Oh, I have to go 2 more. 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet, and last one I'm going to do 3 double crochets. 1 2 3, 3 double crochet. Oh, what I'm doing, okay, silly me. And double crochet, and the last we are not going to do any chain or anything, and I'm going to do skip 2 because I need to find 3 chain. I'm going to do double 2 double sorry 1 double crochet in the top of this 3 chain. I am going to skip 2 chain and I find my third one here, and I'm going to do 1 double crochet. Okay, and my edge is straight now, and I'm going to do fourth row. I need to do 3 chain and turn my work, and I'm going to do same place. I'm going to do 1 double crochet. Okay, and then again 4 chain, and find the middle of this. Middle means sixth one. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 chain, and I'm going to do single crochet again. 1 2 3 4, and the one here, 1 chain space, I'm going to do 3 double crochets again. 1 here, 2 3, again I need 4 chain. 1 2 3 4 chain, and I'm going to find middle. 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 is my middle, and 1 single crochet. I'm going to 4 chain, 2 3 4, 4 chain, and I'm going to do top of this here top of this chain, three chain, it's here, three chain. I'm going to do two single crochets, two double crochets, one, two. Okay, this is my fourth row. Okay, I am in now fifth row. Fifth row, we need to uh, uh, do three chain, and I'll show you my fifth chain, fifth row. One, two, three chain and three double crochet in this second double crochet. One, two, three, and again I need two chain. One, two, oh, sorry, one, two, and I am going to do one double crochet in the top of my single crochet. One, and again I need four. One, two, three, sorry, two. What I am doing? It's two. It's here. Two in fifth row. One, two chain, and going to do three double crochet in the first one. One, first chain, one, two, three, and again one double crochet in the middle, and third double crochet in the one, two, three. Now now I'm going to do two chain again, and one double crochet top of my single crochet, and again two double crochet, and my last place I am going to do three double crochet, one in the same place, two. I'm here actually, this green last section, and I'm in now top of my three chain. I'm going to do one double crochet. Okay, now I am in sixth row. Sixth row, I'm going to, it's a red color row, sixth row, and three chain, one, two, three, turn my work, and going to do one double crochet here, and second double crochet, and third one I'm going to do three double crochets in the same place. One, two, three, and now again, oh my thing, now again I'm going to do one chain, and three double crochets here. One, two, three, and one each. I'm going to do one double crochet. One, two, three, four, and I need to do three double crochets over there, last one. One, two, again one chain and go to the second place and do 3 double crochets over there, this top of this double crochet, 2 3 and 1 double crochets over there, and next one I'm going to do 1 double crochet, and third one top of this 3 chain I'm going to do 1 double crochet. This is my end of the row, and you can start again with, this is my work, and you can start again with first one, second one, third one. And I hope you enjoy my video. See you again with another beautiful stitch pattern. Bye bye.